Looking for a great way to get your message across to your customers? An engaging and fun way of creating interest for your products and services? You need something which will catch your customers' attention, keep them interested, and entertain them too. Whiteboard videos appeal to a wide audience because they are fun, amusing, and engaging. They keep the attention of your audience, and your message will be remembered. It is a widely known fact that videos convert sales far more effectively than static advertising methods. Why? Because they stick out from the crowd and do the explaining for you. With all the advertising and millions of words out there, people can soon become word blind and really not take it all in. We all have short attention spans, and in our busy lives have little time to read a lot of words. We need to be engaged quickly and see the facts fast. So, if you want to get your message across, stick out from the crowd, blow your trumpet louder than everyone else. Consider having a whiteboard or doodle video made and keep those visitors entertained to a point where they really have to do business with you and not your competitors.